Welcome back to Wolf Dog Empires. Today we're going to do the trials of nature. Got my team set up here. Let's go for it. Yeah, so about a little more than a year and a half ago, I was having some big back problems, and I'm not that old. I mean, I don't know, maybe seem old to some of you guys. I was what, 44? I was 43. I was gonna turn 44, and I was having major back problems. I couldn't even stand up straight. Woke up one morning, I mean, I couldn't stand up straight, and I mean, I got an MRI, and basically it says that my two lower discs on my back, the two bottom ones, were thin, very very thin, like a 70-year-old man's discs that has back problems. So I researched online what to do when you have super thin discs, and it says that the discs are made, like 85% of the disc approximately is made from water and vitamins. So I took a vitamin B shot. If it's I took a vitamin B shot, and I changed my diet. I drank a lot more water, because it's true, I wasn't drinking a lot of water. I was drinking too much beer and not drinking enough water, and I was eating bad stuff. I was eating fast food a lot. I figured I got the money, I can do it, because when I was a kid, I grew up poor and I didn't have money for fast food. So my parents didn't buy us fast food because we couldn't afford it. So when I got older, I was thinking, now we can afford fast food. And so I was eating a lot of fast food, drinking beer, not enough water. And once I found out about my back problem, I changed my diet. I was uh, I was eating a lot more salads and a lot more water. I took the vitamin B injection in order that one hurt, by the way, but in order to give my body a lot of vitamins right away, and just drank a lot of water. And I was able to, after a few weeks, I was able to stand up straight. I was able to walk better. And then a few months later, so I want to say 4 months, 5 months later, I was not only walking, I started jogging and running. So that's my story. So if you guys have issues like that with back problems or gaining too much weight from eating fast food, definitely want to change your habits, change your diet, because it could lead to huge back problems. So want to throw that out there just in case anybody is going down the wrong path like I did. Where we have Liana and Chow. Yeah, I have Quinel fully leveled up, but I wanted to use Melondor here. So I needed a healer. After I level up Kullervo, I definitely want to bring up my two DeAndres. DeAndre's a really good healer, and because I wouldn't mind using Quinel here and then have DeAndre as my healer instead of Chow. But because Quinel hits harder and she hits 3, I definitely need to up my hero. I mean my healers. Alexandrine, she's more of a critical chance, and blue she changes the shield on the map to have a higher critical chance. And she's healing is a very small part of her special, even though when the more blue shields there are on the board, the more she heals. But she relies on blue shields to give her mana, and then once you use those blue shields to give her mana, now she expects there to be a whole lot of other blue shields on the board for when she goes off, so she can heal more, and she gives all the blue. It's just it's asking for a bit much. She didn't turn out to be as good of a hero as I hoped, but she was my first 5-star ever, so I was really stoked to get her. I mean, at the time I was using 3 stars. I was using Baltasar. I was using Nashgar. So it was pretty bad. I didn't even have any 4 stars. I didn't have Chow yet. I actually was using those 2-star. I was using the 2-star healer for yellow. So when I got Alexandrine, I was like, wow, 5-star. So she was way stronger than my 3 stars. So I thought she was strong, but so I level her up by fully emblem. I mean, limit broker, full emblems, everything. And but I didn't know enough about the game to know that she was not that good of a hero. That I will eventually end up with better ones. Yeah, Finley has been great for me, but a lot of times he only gives defensive down to 1, and it's a big defensive down, but it's only to 1. So in this past soul exchange, I jumped at the chance to trade 20 for morale. So now I'm leveling up morale. And I was just about to heal. So those fiends should kill Horcall. I don't want to send a bunch of combos at Horcall here, because then he might go off and kill my hero. So what I'll do is I'll probably just ghost some tiles on the left and then just let him die. His slash attack might kill me though. Whoa, he survived that. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, hit that notification bell for reminders of when I put up more videos. Till next time, Wolf Dog Empire.